Hey everybody, it's Ms. Dietrich helping you prepare for the Chapter 5 test on percents. This is in the review packet that you may have gotten to prepare. It says, Priya is doing her back-to-school shopping. Calculate all the missing values in the table below, rounding to the nearest penny, and calculate the total amount Priya will spend on her outfit after she received the indicated amounts. So that means we need to find each empty box, and then afterwards we're going to have to figure out the sale price for each item, and then we're going to add these amounts together to get the total cost of the outfit. So there's a number of ways we can do this part, but to fill in the boxes here, probably our better strategy is to use proportional reasoning. So let's do the shirt first. We're going to set up a proportion. Remember, proportions when you're dealing with percents, you're talking about parts and you're talking about wholes. And it's 25% discount. Now remember, if you're paying for all of it, you're paying 100%. If it's 25% off, then that means you're not paying for 25 out of 100. Now, if the original price is $44, that's the whole, that's the all of it price. So we're going to put that number right here, and we're figuring out the discount price. So we can either put a D here for a variable, or you could put some other variable. Now, the first thing we should do to make this a little more user-friendly is reduce this ratio. Both of these are divisible by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Now we're lucky enough to have this be compatible. If it wasn't compatible, then we would have to use cross products and it would not be mental math, but it is compatible. Ask yourself 4 times what is 44, and that would be 11. 1 times 11 would give us the value here, which would be 11. 1 times 11 is 11. Let's put that number right here. Now later we're going to need the sale price. To find the sale price, you can subtract the discount from the original price. So let's do that now. 4 minus 1 would be 3. And 4 minus 1 would be 3, giving us a sale price of $33 for the shirt. Alright, now the other one that's sort of like that is the necklace, where they give the original price. So let's do that one next. The original price of the necklace, or the all of it number in this case, is 20. We're trying to figure out the discount, so maybe we'll put a D here. And we know that the necklace is 10% off, so that's 10 out of 100. Percent means out of 100. Now if it's easier for you, you could simplify this. It might not, or you could leave it because these numbers are already compatible, but let's say you want to go ahead and simplify it. Divide by 10 and get 1. Divide by 10 and get 10. 10 times what is 20? Wouldn't the answer be 2? And then do 1 times 2, since we're working in this direction. 1 times 2 would be 2. So that means that we would get a $2 discount, which means that if we have to find the sale price, we can subtract these two things together. 20 minus 2 would be $18 for a sale price. Alright, let's take a look at the pants. Now in this case, we don't know the original price, we know the discount. So if we think about parts and wholes, the top is the part and the bottom is the whole. We have the part. We're going to put that on the top. And we're figuring out the original price, or the all of it, or the whole. Now in this case, it's 30% off. 30 out of 100. And again, we can simplify here. We can start by dividing by 10, and the easy way to divide by 10 is to just cross out these zeros. So now we're looking at 3/10. Now ask yourself, 3 times what is 15? It is compatible. Let's take advantage of that. 3 times 5 equals 15 if we work this way. So we can do 10 times 5 to get the answer. 10 times 5 would be 50. That means that the original price of the pants would be $50. Alright, now you're going to finish up, by the way, if we subtract these two. That's going to give us the sale price, so I'm pretty confident you can do that on your own. Now when you figure out for the shoes and the sweater, you're going to do the same thing, only you're going to put a 9 here and a 15 out of 100 here. And for the sweater, you're going to put a 7 here and a 20 out of 100 here and solve the proportions. And don't forget, you have to subtract to get the sale price. And then to figure out the final answer, you're going to add all of these values that you're going to have written under here. You'll add them together, and that'll be the total cost of her outfit. All right, good luck finishing that up.